Welcome to the top 5 most secluded beaches in the world. First up, untouched in Seychelles. Only 30 people a day visit this pristine beach. Next, Tarragona Beach in Spain, with just 100 visitors annually. Moving on to Radhanagar Beach in India, known for its tranquility with 500 visitors per year. Then, Playa de Gulpiyuri in Spain, a hidden gem with 700 visitors yearly. Lastly, Reynistura Beach in Iceland, attracting 1,000 visitors annually. These beaches remain secluded due to their remote locations and limited accessibility. If you enjoy the video, then please like, share and subscribe.